Alright, and let's learn some more French expressions and phrases. Let's start with the first one. The most important expression. Oui. Yes. Oui. The pronunciation is oui. Oui. A lot of times you will see people speaking like this as well. Ouais. Ouais. Ouais is more like yeah. Ouais. Oui. Ouais. And you write it like this. Ouais. 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 Next. The next important expression that you must know is no. No, which is no in English. No, no. It's slightly different from how we pronounce in English. In English, we say no, but in French, it's again a nasal sound. We say no, no, no. N-O-N. No, 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 no. Now, in case you struggle to speak French, you can very well ask people, do you speak English? But how will you ask this question? Vous parlez anglais? 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 Do you speak English? Vous parlez anglais? Vous parlez anglais? The next expression that you must know is I speak English. Je parle anglais. Je parle anglais. Je parle anglais. Je parle anglais. If you speak any other language, you can just put it there. Je parle hindi, for example. Je parle anglais. Je parle hindi. Je parle français. I speak French. Je parle. I speak. Je parle anglais. Je parle français. Je parle hindi. The next expression that you must know and something that you can use in your classroom, with your friends, with your classmates, it's c'est fou. C'est fou, which is like, it's crazy. C'est fou. Something that we use in our day-to-day life, and you will see a lot of French people speaking and using this in their regular basis. C'est fou, it's just crazy. C'est fou. C'est fou. C'est fou. Ah, c'est fou. C'est fou. C'est fou. C'est fou. C'est fou. The next expression that you must know is c'est agréable. C'est agréable. You can also do a liaison between T and A here. C'est agréable. C'est agréable. C'est agréable. It's very nice. It's just a way to appreciate something. For example, you like the weather, you can say c'est agréable. You're liking something. C'est agréable. C'est agréable. It's nice. I'm liking it. C'est agréable. You can use it to appreciate a moment that you have spent with your friends maybe. C'est agréable. Something that is pleasing you, something that you are enjoying or liking. C'est agréable. C'est agréable. The next expression, which is my favorite, and that is c'est super. Super. C'est super. It's great. It's superb. C'est super. C'est super. C'est super. The next expression again to appreciate something is c'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. Now it has a lot of meanings. It can be used to say okay, all right, c'est bon, or to again, appreciate something, we also use c'est bon. It's good. C'est bon. How is this dress? Oui, c'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. It's good. c'est bon. The next expression, which is very close to English, looks like exactly the English word, but the pronunciation is slightly different, and that is excellent. 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 Again, an expression that we can use to appreciate something. Excellent. Excellent. The next expression that you can use to express your hunger. For example, if I want to say, I am hungry, how will I say this in French? I will simply say, j'ai faim. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. Alright, the next word is I am tired. Je suis fatigué. Je suis, which is I am, fatigué. Fatigué. Je suis fatigué. If you're a guy, you will write till E and the accent aigu. And if you are a girl, you will be adding this extra E. However, the pronunciation in both the cases will remain same. Fatigué, fatigué. Je suis fatigué. I'm tired. Je suis fatigué. I am tired. Je suis fatigué. The next expression that you might need to use in your day-to-day French is il fait beau, to appreciate the weather. You go out and it's a pleasant weather. How will you appreciate the weather? You will just simply say il fait beau. Il fait beau. My T is going to be silent. Il fait beau. It is pleasant. It is so nice. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. And what if it is raining? How will you say it is raining in French? Because it rains so much, especially in Paris. Il pleut. Il pleut. It's raining. Il pleut. Il pleut. It's raining. Il pleut. It's raining. Il pleut. It's raining. Il pleut. The next sentence or the question I would say, which is going to be super helpful for you people, is could you please help me? Vous pourriez, vous pourriez, vous pourriez m'aider. Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît. Vous pourriez m'aider. Vous pourriez, this means could you. Vous pourriez m'aider, help me. Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, we have already done this, please. Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît. Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît. Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît. Could you please help me? Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît. And what if you want to ask the time? How will you say what time is it in French? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Il, it, il est, it is. Il est quelle, what, heure. Now, if you cannot achieve the sound, you will just simply say heure. Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? I generally speak like this. Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? What time is it? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? You already know the numbers and it's very simple to give the time as well. Let's say it is 10 o'clock and you will just simply say il est 10 heures. Il est 10 heures. I am connecting the number 10, 10 with heures. Il est 10 heures. It's 10 o'clock. Il est 10 heures. Il est 10 heures. Il est 11 heures. It's 11 o'clock. Il est 13 heures. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Remember, we follow 24-hour clock in French and not 12-hour clock. So, after 12, it's going to be 13, 14, 15 and so on. Il est 10 heures. It is 10 o'clock. Il est 10 heures. Now, let's repeat these expressions and phrases. Once again, you're going to repeat these words after me. The first one is oui. Oui, which is yes. Oui. The second is non. 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 The next is vous parlez anglais. Vous parlez anglais. Remember to ask this like a question. Vous parlez anglais. Do you speak English? Vous parlez anglais. Je parle anglais. Je parle anglais. C'est fou. C'est fou. Very good. C'est agréable. C'est agréable. C'est agréable. Wonderful. Next. C'est super. C'est super. It's great. C'est super. C'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. Excellent. The next one is excellent. 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 Great. I'm hungry. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. Je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il pleut. Il pleut. Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Vous pourriez m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Il est 10 heures. Il est 10 heures. Il est 10 heures. Now it's time to take the quiz. Tell me what sentence is it? You have only 3 seconds to answer. Il fait beau. Il fait beau, which means it's pleasant. Il fait beau. And what about this one? J'ai faim. J'ai faim. I am hungry. J'ai faim. What about this one? Il est 12 heures. Il est 12 heures. It is 12 o'clock. Il est 12 heures. And the last one? Vous parlez anglais? Vous parlez anglais? Do you speak English? Vous parlez anglais? Vous parlez anglais? Great. I hope this lesson is clear. Tell me how many answers did you get correct in the comments. If you have more questions related to this lesson, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section.